Okay, so for similar figures, two conclusions. Okay, number one, there is a scale factor. Okay, then number two, corresponding angles are equal. Okay, I'm going to explain to you why before I talk about. Maybe I can use this to talk about. So first, they say what ABC is similar to this. So the most important step is get these two triangles out. So ABC, this ABC. So I get it out. Similar to ADE. Okay, I put it down. ADE. And by the way, you must align these two triangles in the same orientation. You know what's the meaning of same orientation?
Yeah, so it's like the
So
same.
if this is like this, right? This is upright, right? This one has to be upright. That's called same orientation. This is apple to apple comparison. If you put it in this way, this one is upright, this is landscape, this is not apple to apple comparison. Okay? So that's the reason why I put them in the same orientation. Now, then you try to find the scale factor. So AB is 36, right? AD is 24. So in a way, right, it depends whether you look at it from the big to small or small to big. But the scale factor is either times or divide. The scale factor remains the same, right? So probably you can see this as 36, 24. What is the scale factor? So you divide by what?
Divided.
You can use your calculator.
I did the other way around.
Or times
Yeah.
So you times what?
2.
Well, it's 1.5 in the sense. So if you go from the small one to the big one, is times 1.5. Can you double check 24 times 1.5?
Yeah.
Okay, so the scale factor is actually 1.5. You see? So the number one conclusion for this question. So the scale factor is 1.5 in this case, right? So it really depends whether you go from big to small or small to big, the scale factor remains 1.5. Big to small, divide. Small to big, times. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So the corresponding angles are equal. What's the meaning of that? Is this. This one correspond to this one. Can you see? B to D, right? That's why you have to get the two triangles in the same orientation. If they are not in the same orientation, then you cannot have corresponding angles already. Imagine if this is upright, this is landscape, this angle correspond to which angle? Pretty hard to tell, right?
Yeah.
But if you put them upright, both upright, then you know that, oh, this angle is actually this angle. You understand me?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So that's the key. So for this one here is equal to this. That's called corresponding angle. Corresponding means, you know corresponding, right? That our F, the same place. That's called corresponding angle. Okay?
Yeah.
That's for parallel lines. So therefore the A here, maybe I use the black one. This the A is equal to this A. So these are the two conclusions. So with this, then you can solve the question. Find the length of AE. AE is where? AE is this one, right? Question mark, right? And then AC is what? They never tell you the AC, right?
Is the question mark plus 10.
Yeah. So AE is question mark. AC is question mark plus 10.
Yeah.
Am I right? So that means
Means the 10 is 0.5.
So the question mark need to times 1.5 to get the question mark plus 10.
Yeah.
That is the equation you need to form. So if you don't want to use question mark, right, you can use this as the x, right? Right? Then this one will be x plus 10. So therefore, you need to use x times 1.5. That will give you x plus 10. And this is 1.5x, this is x, this is plus 10. So you bring it over, becomes minus, right? 1.5x minus x is equal to 10. So over 0.5x is equal to 10. X is equal to 20.
10 times okay.
Do you get x equal to 20?
Yes.
That one is AE. So A equals to 20. Do you get 20?
Yes.
Good. Okay. So to get to solve similar figures question, the two important conclusions that you need to derive or come out with is these two. Find out what's the scale factor. Scale, you know what scale? Scale means scale up or scale down.
I know.
Okay? Scale means either you can scale up or you can scale down. Scale down is divide. Scale up is times, right?
Yeah.
Then corresponding angles are equal means the same angle at the same place. They are equal. Okay? So once you can get these two, then so to get the length of AE, you need to make use of the scale factor, which is 1.5 in this case. That's why I formed this equation. Right?
Yeah.
This times the 1.5 is equal to the x plus 10. That's how I get x equal to 20. Okay? So